Listen, since all of you Rolling Stones are going to be with all of us in the committee on music scene, I wonder if you could do me a favor.
Sure.
Could you give Danny an autograph?
Of course it will.
Oh,
Yeah.
thanks very much.
What a likely boy.
What a lovely lad.
There they are.
I'm Don Sturdy with the committee. Look for us on Music Scene this fall.
I'm Mick Jagger of the Rolling Stones. I see you on Music Scene in the autumn.
There must be room for both of us.
Ah, the music scene.
Yes, sir. Those were the good old days. The committee and all those good bands.
Yeah.
That was hip.
I did that show.
Oh, really?
Sure.
I can't get no satisfaction. I can't get no girly action.
I'm Don Sturdy of the committee. Look for us on Music Scene this fall.
I'm Mick Jagger of the Rolling Stones. I see you on Music Scene in the autumn.
There must be room for both of us.